Hello there. In this video, I will give you a quick walkthrough on how to set up your RTMP settings and add the RTMP session in Airmeet. Let's get started. From your event dashboard, click on the Sessions tab and find the Stream into Airmeet section. In this section, if you click on View Stream Keys, here you will find the server URL and the stream key. These are the universal or common URL and key for the RTMP sessions in Airmeet. To copy them, simply click on each of those and they will be copied to your clipboard. The copied RTMP stream URL and key can be pasted on the third-party websites, which will allow you to stream their session in Airmeet. Now that we have learned how to get the stream URL and key, let us also understand how to add the RTMP session. For that, click on Session List and then click on Add an Activity and then click on Stream into Airmeet Type Session. Plug in the name of the session. You can also use AirGenie to auto-generate it. You can also select the session date by clicking on this calendar icon, start time by clicking on this clock icon, and set up the duration by typing in the numbers. In here, you can see the host of the session. If you want to change the host of the session, then you can click on it and select the team member who is supposed to be the host of this session. Or you can also click on Add Team Member to add the host as a team member of your account. And once done, you can add them as the host from this section. You can also add the speaker details in this section by clicking on it. You can select the speakers from the list of your team members. Or if you want to add a new person as the speaker, then you have to first add them as a team member. Okay, once the speakers are added and selected, click on Done. And there your speakers are added. You can add up to 50 speakers. If you have any co-hosts, you can add them out here as well. Simply click on it. Select the co-host that you want to add. And there your co-hosts are added. You can add up to 2 co-hosts. You can also add the session tags. Once the text is added, simply click on Enter or Written on your keyboard. And there your tag is added. You can add up to 100 tags. You can also write in the session description or use AirGenie to auto-generate it. If you want to add session resources such as PDF, audio, etc., then you can click on Add Resources and either upload the resource from your computer or add a link of your resource repository. While uploading, you can also find all the formats in which you can add your resources. Once your resource is selected, you can also set up the visibility. First is everyone, that is all event participants. Second is specific segments. Segments are the filters that you add in the analytics part. And if you have added them, then you can select the audience from those segments. Or you can also select only my team for only your team to view this resource. Once done, click on upload. And there your resource is added. You can add more resources in a similar flow. Now coming down, you can also control who can join your event. You can either allow access or restrict access. To allow access, simply click on here. And now from here, select the type of user that you want to allow inside the event. Click on it and select what kind of users that you want to allow and click on proceed. And those participants will be allowed to access your session. If you want to restrict a specific participant, you can do so as well. By clicking on restrict access, confirm, find the name of the people from here and restrict them. We do not have any name out here because our event has not yet started. If any of this control is allowed, then you will also find this prompt out here. You can either show or hide the restricted session from the restricted attendees. If you want to do so, you can toggle this button on to enable it or keep it disabled. Once done, click on Save and there our session is successfully created. You can click on this pencil icon to re-edit it. You can click on this 3 dot icon to delete the session. Or if you want to copy the specific RTMP server URL and stream key for this particular session, then you can find those out here. You can copy and add it to your third-party websites. That's all for today. Hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.